Hey guys, once again welcome to my channel Modern Tech. Today I am going to do the unboxing of bOAT Head 900 wired headphone. So guys, here is the box of bOAT Head 900. First of all, take a look at the box. What is specs given on the box? So the most advantage thing is that its weights only 150 gram, like a feather lightweight. So take a look at the back side, because in the front only picture is given. Take a look at the back side. So here is few specs given on the box. That first spec is super extra bass. Guys believe that its bass quality is really good and audio quality is also very good, and there is a one button microphone on the wire to record your sound or answer a call. And I have already told you about its weight. And there is also a button with microphone to hands free, means you can pick up your phone or end the call. And the best and the most advantage thing is that it's so much flexible and foldable. You can put in your bag easily. So let's go guys, take a look inside the box. I'm going to open the box. So I am just opening the box. There is nothing written on the box, so I'm just opening the box. So I have opened the box. So here is the one card, brand card. Here is just a few information about the warranty claims, and if you want to know more about this product, you can scan this QR code, and nothing else on the special given on the card. So take this aside and take a look at the headphone. It is packed under the polythene wrap. Let's take out from the wrap. So this is the headphone, wired headphone bOAT Head 900. And this is the best thing, that we can fold like this and put in our bags and wherever we are traveling. In other headphones there is a problem that we cannot fold and we cannot easily put in our bags or just take away while traveling. So this is the best advantage of this. So and one more thing, that this is intangible wire. So if we are just turning this, so guys, I'm telling about this intangible wire, and it is totally braided wire, and the quality of a wire is really good. And from this edge, there is no chance that the wire is cut or just rubbed. There is no effect on this if it gonna fold or anything like this. So it's a good thing, and it is also aluminium coated. So this is nice. And here is a microphone, and here is a one button also to attend a call or reject a call. So this is I will show you how to unfold this. Just do this and like this. Now it is open, and if you want to increase its length, you just need to increase by here and here. So the length increases, and you can put on your head or your neck according to the level you want. So this is it. And guys believe its bass quality, audio quality is really good at this price point. I got this at 750 rupees. I think it's also available on Amazon at this price. I will give the link in the description box. You're gonna check. And if you want to know that which is right and which is left, here it was written right, and here is what written left. And this is just a brace wire brace made of steel, not a polycarbonate. So this is a good thing. And build quality is really good than other earphones at this price. Build quality is really good. It is harder. And here is the steel plate, so that it's not break from here. So this is it. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.